Welcome to KJ Somaiya College of Education admission process. I will guide you through the admission procedure. For this, you have to go for Google and click on KJ Somaiya College of Education. You will get this website. Scroll down. You will get the option Apply. Click on Apply. Then you will get some important notice. You can go through it. If you have already registered, you can log in directly. Or if you are a first time user, then you can register. Write your details here, first name, then last name, then your mobile number, your email ID, set your password, confirm your password and click on register and continue. After this, you will get this prompt where you can click on OK button. You will go to your mailbox, click on verify now. Then you will go to this page. You will get again important notice. Now you can log in. You will get there a notification, congratulations, your email ID is successfully verified. You will write your email ID, password and login. Then you have to select all options: undergraduate, education, bachelor of education, KJ Somaiya College of Education and save button. Then you will get this instruction, the first step, save and continue. You have to click over yes, I have read. Then you will get the second step related to your personal detail. Write your all personal detail, your name, your last name, your middle name, your mother name, your date of birth, your place of birth, then write your country, your blood group, your status, married, unmarried, then alternate mobile number, and some things are already mentioned with the asterisk, so that are the mandatory for you. You must have to write that information. So write your caste, your mother tongue, your family income, your currency, Aadhaar card and passport, which is not mandatory, so you can skip that step. Write whether you are Maharashtra domicile or not, you are minority. Then the next step is upload your photo. So once you click on upload, you have to browse from your folder the documents like your photo. Take your photo, open that folder and click on that. You will get this crop option. If you want to crop, you can crop. Then next step is your signature. Upload your signature. For that also the same procedure. You will click on browse button. You take your signature from your folder. Again crop option. You can crop it if you want and then you upload. Then click on save and continue. The next step is guardian detail, where you will write the information about your father, your mother and your guardian. So you will skip this step because this is again not mandatory. But if you want, you can fill. I got this prompt over there because I have not written the father and mother mobile number. So I have to write it again. Then click on save and continue. Then you will get the fourth step, which is related to your address. Write your own address. On the left hand side, all details of your address, write that. Complete it. Yes, then click if another box is there. Then permanent address, you can write the same address if it is same. Click and save and continue. Then you will get the academic qualification details, that is your marks. So you will write about your SSC, HSC, graduation marks, which I have already filled. So you filled it properly. And completion status also you have to write whether you have graduated or not. Then write about your master degree details if you have. Then mostly important, that is para-CT or MSCT. You have to click any one option, write your application number, write your score, and click on save and continue. Then you will get this uh, page where you have to write yes or no about your hostel facilities. Next is financial aid. If you want financial aid, click on yes button and save and continue. Then the next step is very very important, where you have to upload your file. So first step is upload your undertaking letters. Again the same procedure, you will go to your desktop, you will take a file from your folder, upload file. Same thing for your SSC, HSC and graduation certificate, even your post graduation certificate. Click all certificates, click over there. This is very very important step. So upload properly in front of your proper document. If you will make mistake, it will be very difficult to solve. So be careful while you are uploading. If you will make mistake, don't worry, you can get this icon of delete button. You click there and re-upload. Then click on save and continue. I got this message that your document proof is not uploaded, so I deleted it and re-upload again, which is mentioned over there. You have to make it compulsory. Then you have to write this little survey related to your information, from where you got this information. So click over there. Yes. Then you can save and continue. Then this is the last step of your admission process, that is you have to pay the admission form fees of 1000 rupees. Click on pay now. Then you will get this page. Many options are already provided on this page, that is credit, debit card, net banking. Fill all the detail of your card. Click on make payment. I am showing this demo to you all, so I am not paying. I cancel on and click on the cancel button. So I went to the main page again, where I got the notification that your payment status aborted, means my transaction could not be processed. So if you will get this same message, don't worry, you can contact our college or you can mail to this email ID, or you can do one thing, you can click on pay now again, try to pay the payment again. Even though there is any problem, please contact to college contact number. This is the last step of your procedure. If you have successfully made the payment, then you will get the notification, acknowledgement, slip also, and you will log out the page. Thank you.